Tessa here. So it's time to cover up these roots. So we're gonna see how well this works. This is Clairol Root Touch-Up, 10 minutes. Because I've been using this for years and it does a great job. So it comes with very clear instructions and gloves. Make sure you put those on first. I have a little mixing bowl. It says number 1, squeeze it into the bowl. Number 2, yeah, so it just pours right in there. Brush. Mix it up. It's mixed up nicely. All right, so I'm going to start by just pulling my hair back. So I want to get all of this gray here. And just put the brush in there and get on as much as you can. Yeah, I personally don't like going to a salon and having it done. I find it's just so easy to do it yourself. And then I'm going to get the roots up there. You wait 10 minutes and then the ammonia is getting in my eyes right now. So you wait 10 minutes and then get in the shower and rinse it off with just water and then condition it, and then you're done. There is a little tip here. So for stubborn gray, you can do it an additional 5 minutes. I go for that because I think I have pretty stubborn gray. And I'm back. So I waited 15 minutes. I got in the shower. I rinsed it all out, conditioned it. And now let's just take a look. So see, no gray, yay. I love when I get rid of the gray. Yeah, see, all gone. I love this product. I've been using it for years and I give it 5 stars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.